Hello everyone, this is Michelle again, and I'm back with another tutorial, this time on Printify, which is also another print-on-demand company that I use to create t-shirts and tumblers and all different types of products that would go in a print-on-demand store. So we're going to get started. All you need to do is, once you sign up, I'll also provide a link in the bottom of the video in the comment section. You can sign up using my link, which they will pay me a small commission, which also helps to support my channel. So once you sign up, the dashboard is going to look like, well, it's not going to look like this, but that's because I'm already signed up, but it should look like this. And you click on catalog, and we're going to choose t-shirt. And what happens is they show you the best sellers. And I think I'm going to choose this unisex. I always choose a unisex t-shirt because it's easier once they show up in the search. And with Printify, what they do is over to the left side, they give you the sizes, they give you the colors to choose from. They give you whether you want print all over shirt or what side you want your design on. And also, Printify allows you to choose what fulfillment center you want to use, where you want your shirts to come from, Canada or Australia. Most of the time I use US um, fulfillers because it takes them from maybe 5 to 8 days, and there are different brands here that you can choose from and different decisions to make. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to leave all of this the same, and I'm going to choose this unisex shirt right here for women. Well, in the women's section, but it's for men as well. And what comes up is they show you a description, which is also great because these descriptions help if you're loading on an Etsy store because it minimizes the typing that you'll have to do once you enter a product on your Etsy store. So they'll show you the mock-ups over here to the left. You can choose where you want your design to show up. And once you check it out and see which one of these fulfillment companies you want to work with, you can choose one of them. And like I said, I use the United States, but they also tell you that the sizes range from small to 5X, and the colors they provide are 12. And as with all of these, they'll show you what they're providing and the colors, and they'll tell you the production time and all so on and so forth. Now this one, Swift, most of the time I use Swift because Swift has a variety of colors. Some of these only have 2 rows of colors here, but Swift has all these colors, and they normally have small through 5X. And most of the time I choose them. As a matter of fact, I think I will. So when you get ready to design, you check out these fulfillment centers that you want to use and just start designing once you've made a decision. So now what comes up is a template here, a t-shirt template. And if you've been following me on Print on Demand, you would know that most of the designs that we're using are coming from Canva that we've already made in Canva and downloaded to our computer. So what I'm going to do is, well, when my library is for someone who's already used Printify and already uploaded designs, they'll be saved in the library. So for this video, since we're starting from scratch, like I call it a scratch class, we just click on my device and your image, whatever image you're using. I'm going to use Black History. Just click open. It'll take a minute to upload. Once it uploads, this is what you'll see. And if your image is not fitting, They're going to show you a warning to let you know where it may or may not be fitting. But this one seems to be pretty well. It tells you the design size and some other things that might be important to your store. And I'm enlarging that template just a bit. So if you want it here in the front, or they'll flip the shirt around and put the design there, but I'm going to keep it on that side, and then we're going to save product. And you can choose from all of these different mock-ups. I'm going to leave the one that I have. And you can also find more mock-ups on Placeit. That's what it's telling you. I'll also have a video on Placeit in a little bit, but not soon. And so here's your description here, which will be synced to whatever store you're going to use. And the pricing on this one, you have to, whatever profit margin you want, you will have to change your percentage. But it's showing you this much for small. It's going to show you your price and your markup for each price. And so with the small, the retail, you're going to pay $8 for the shirt. Mark it up, and this is going to be your profit at 40% markup. Sometimes I change mine higher than that, but so every time a shirt sells, you'll get a payment amount either in your PayPal or your checking account for $5, which is not bad when you're just not doing anything. It's just, you don't have to do anything. It just goes directly in your account when one of the shirts sell. So that's it. That's the extent of uploading a design to Printify. And then once your stores, if your store is already synced or whatever store you're going to use, you hit connect to a store, and it's going to send the image to your store. But I don't have a store connected here on Printify. But however, I'll probably do another video on that as well. But this one was to show you how to upload your design and to use Printify because it's free and they're great. Their delivery is right on time. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.